This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, on the gold market the situation is very similar to the euro currency because market, as you can see, during yesterday's price action has shown this high wave also, some kind of the doji with the long shadows that indicates the indecision of the market. And although price action now stands below this trend line, that was not the, to call it the breakout, that's just some kind of the flat and smooth action to the right side. It's not the breakout of this line, because breakout usually develops in the direction of the breakout. Here we do not see it. We see just flat action sideways inside of this candle. It's almost within the 2 weeks. Market stands flat. Also take a look that market in general holds direction. So 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Market just retesting the previous highs. You can see here. Here it's again. So to speak about the breakout and potential, for the purpose that we could say that probably yes, in the short-term perspective, market has broken the upward tendency. We need to see the breakout of this sequence. So we need to see that market will turns to the downside and shows the greater move to the downside. Probably will shift trend to the bear side and so on. But currently market doesn't show this. Still calling around the weekly pivot point and stands in tight range between the weekly pivot support one and weekly pivot resistance one. So it's very tight range that indicates indecision on the market. Well, on the daily time frame I do not see anything interesting. Only one moment that tomorrow market will come closer to the MACD predictor, and that always carries the opportunity for the appearing of the stop grabber pattern. If we will get the stop grabber, something of that sort, when the market trying to shift trend in opposite direction but fails, that very often carries the opportunity for trading. If this will happen here, that will give us at least the pattern that suggests taking out of these highs. And again, if this will happen, of course any pattern could fail, but in fact I do not see any other potential patterns right now in the gold market, at least on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that our triangle that we have discussed in fact has shifted to the sideways consolidation, because yesterday we have said about the suspicious and the warnings that if market even has shown this breakout, do not be hasty to treat it as the breakout, because for the gold markets just shallow exit above the this line that was previously the border of this triangle doesn't mean the breakout necessary, and that has happened. Market has returned right back and reached the opposite border, take the washing rings of these lows, grabs the stops that have been placed below it, returns right back here. So you can see now it mostly look as sideways action, sideways consolidation, rather than some directional action and rather than the triangle. And in fact the further development will be estimated by the direction of the breakout. Almost the same as on the euro currency. In the short-term perspective, if you're a scalp trader, you could pay attention to this stop grabber pattern that now has formed here. This is not very impressive and solid setup, but to trade inside of the range, it's difficult to find something more interesting here. Well, you can see market here has shifted, trying to shift trend to the bullish but failed. That is the stop grabber. The invalidation point of this pattern is right here. So if market will continue to move high and take out of this high, then probably this pattern will fail. The target of this pattern, at least theoretically, this pattern should take out of these lows, or at least reach these lows. So here you could see that some the same kind sort of the pattern, but this pattern hasn't quite reached. Oh, sorry, market has accomplished this pattern because the target of this pattern was right here. That low was the target. Market has reached it, taken out of this lows, returns right back. Well, that pattern is some sort of that kind of pattern. I'm not sure that it will definitely take out of these lows, but that's only the pattern we have. In fact, this is not very impressive and not very attractive for trading, but we do not have anything more. So if you would like to make some trade on the gold market, pay attention to this pattern. The possible entry point to the downside could be seen on the hourly time frame. So if market will show the retracement up, probably 1325, we're not bad area trying to take the short. If you would like to trade this pattern with the stops above this high, target will be below these lows. So that's the setup for trading of the this stop grabber. Well, I do not see anything more here. So either just wait for more clarification and break out of this consolidation, or if you're a scalp trader and have the skills to trade on the intraday charts, make scalp trades, you could pay attention to this stop grabber pattern. Maybe it will work. Who knows? But speaking more precisely, in fact, this is the time of the expectation, as on the euro currency, as on the Japan, or as on the gold market, because probably the major moments will happen when the market finally will choose the direction. And I suppose that this choosing will be really fast and furious. When the market stands for a long time in tight range, you probably guys have seen it many times. The exit from these consolidations is usually fast. Well, and I hope that we will get it sooner rather than later. Well, currently, all that we could do is just wait some opportunities on other markets, particularly speaking on the Japanese yen that we have discussed yesterday. This setup now is in development to the upside, and the bit perspective and the potential setup. I also like the situation on the S&P index. If you trade the stock indexes, that's a very interesting situation there, because there could be this potential double repo sale could be formed on the daily time frame. Well, but on the gold market, as I said, either wait when the breakout will happen or trying to take the scalp trade based on these patterns. I do not see any opportunities currently.